The bass just dropped like 10 dB. Oh, man.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. So what is your name and what's in here real quick?
Matt McIntosh.
You used to have a single 18.
I did.
I remember now.
I had a ZV5 in here and a 640.
Yep, I remember that.
I went back to the 4th one.
Okay.
I've got 2 ZV6s in there now.
Wow, okay.
And you can see I've redone it a little bit.
Yeah.
It's got white fur everywhere now.
How do you like 4th versus 6th? The differences and which one you like more overall?
Power handling.
Yep.
Power handling. I'm running like 5.5 cubes on my sealed side for those 2 18s. It's small.
It'll handle more power with that though.
It will.
Yeah.
It will. Not tuned quite as low. I'm tuned to 30, but she's nasty.
Oh, yeah.
But they love it. They love the 15K they're on. I got an 8K on the doors.
Okay.
They sound pretty decent. There's no tweeters in this truck at all.
Really?
So, yeah.
Okay.
Not the first tweeter.
All right. All mid bass. Nice.
Yeah, they all get down.
So what's your SPL and tuning on it?
Man, I'm tuned to 30. I'm creeping up on a 57. I have not metered it since I changed the board a little bit.
Okay.
But the last I metered it, it was like 56.
Okay.
Somewhere
Nice.
around,
Yeah.
Somewhere around 56.
All right. And how about your alternator and battery?
Oh, I've got a 390 amp Autotech, and I have 196 amp hours of headway in the back.
Okay.
So yeah, it loves it. I don't see a whole lot of voltage drop with that.
That's good. Yeah. All right. Yeah, man. I'd love to hear it. Thanks for the info. Nice. All the fur action too. How many cubes did you get in this box?
Oh man, that's a good question. Well, it was 27 net, right at 27, but I've backside down to 5.5. So
Okay.
whatever 5.5 is, and roughly 14.5 in the front
Okay.
with displacement.
Okay. All right. Almost 3 to 1. All
Yeah,
right.
yeah, almost.
Okay. She don't get in very often.
Yeah, I know. I've never seen her in one of his shows.
She gets in sometimes, but mainly windier.
Yeah.
Run away and get your punk ass slave, 'cause this ain't
like 10 dB. Oh man.
Let's float. Can you float it?
I don't know if it'll float the window. It'll float the port. Yeah.
I wouldn't put it in the port though. That's
it
enough.
won't
All
float.
right, go ahead. We'll try a little bit.
got me.
Thank you, sorry.
Yeah, man, there's fur and dust all over.
It's alright.
Hey, Stu, what up? This your nigga Trey. Hey, man, I was thinking. The world is mine, nigga. About to drop the bomb, I'm the motherfucking big fish. Trying to throw that they wanna be when I'm and everything. Mississippi, unseen. We got and before I'm we want them any of you get nigga, we want and I'm the motherfucking big fish. Trying to throw they wanna be when I'm running everything. Mississippi, unseen. We got coming before I'm home. We want them everybody. They wanna be when I'm running everything. Mississippi, unseen. We got coming before I'm home. And my nigga running up on all of the jams. We want them everybody.
Appreciate it, man. Thanks for the demo. Awesome. Yeah, definitely a lot better code control.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I'm too, man.
Yeah.
I went from like a 4.5.
57, a lot of jump.